Hello guys. So today in this video, I'm going to explain how to solve sum root to leaf numbers Leetcode problem, which is of category medium. So in this problem, we are given a binary tree, and so here what we have to do is we have to traverse from root to the leaf node. We have to form the numbers from the digits. We have to form the number, and then we have to take the sum of all the numbers formed from root to the leaf node, and we have to return their sum. So if we see the example 1, uh, the root is 1. From here we traverse to the left child, and then the number formed would be the 12. Then when we go to the right child, the number form would be 13. We have to take the sum of 12 and 13, and we have to return that value. So before we start to program, before starting the coding, let's first understand how we are going to approach this problem. Okay, let's check with the example given in the problem. So input will be given as a binary tree. Let me draw it first. So it is 4 9 0 5 1, and the expected output is 1026. So the ask of the problem is that we have to take the sum of the numbers which will be forming till the leaf node. So it will be like 495 plus 491 plus 40, which should give us the total as 1026. So to do this, what we can do is we can use the recursion and traverse from 4 till the leaf node, form the number, and then take its sum. So what we can do is we'll start with the root, which is 4. Then we can go to the left node, left child. Then so what it can be, 4 into 10 plus 9. So it should give me as 49. Then I'll go again to the child node. So now it will be 49 into 10 plus 5. So it should give me 495. The similar way I'll go back to 9. It should be 49, and from 9 I'll go to the right child, and it will be 491. Then I'll go back, and from root I'll go to right, and it should be 4 into 10 plus 0, which should give me as 40. So this is how, using recursion, we can get the numbers formed from root till the leaf node, and then we can sum all of the formed numbers and return the result. So let's try to code this problem. Okay, now let's try to code this problem. Since we are going to use recursion, let me define the helper function, and in that function we are going to pass the root and the current number. Okay, let me select the Python first. Yeah. We'll have a base condition, then logic. So let's traverse to the left child first. then right. Okay, we'll have the base condition as if root is none, then just return 0. And while traversing the tree, we will be forming the numbers. So my current number would be current multiplied by 10 plus root dot val. And the main logic, let me write this inside the logic. Then we'll check again if root dot left is none and root dot right is also none. That means we are at the leaf node, then return the current value. Okay, and once we are done with that, what we can do is just return left plus right. Let me call the helper function. Let me pass the root and initial current would be 0. Let's try to run this. Okay, so both the test cases are passed here as well. Then let's try to submit this code. Okay, it beats with 38.85%. Maybe we can add one more condition here. If root is none, then just return 0. And instead of calling left and right and then adding it, Control X. Let's remove this part. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can solve the sum root to leaf numbers problem. Let's discuss the time and space complexity. So the space complexity for this problem would be big O of n, as we are traversing to each node, and the space complexity, okay, wait, the time complexity should be O of n, since we are traversing each nodes of the tree, and the space complexity would be big O of h. H is the height of the tree. Since we are using recursion, so back of the recursion stack will be there, and the maximum nodes that we will be adding to the stack at any particular of time, that would be the height of the tree. So the space complexity would be O of h. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to resolve your queries. Thank you.